What are you doing?
We're leaving tomorrow. And I tell you, the dust and everything, it gets so dusty. But I try to wipe these down every time we leave.
So you're packing up?
I'm packing up. Yeah. And wiping things down. Because it's a mess.
So you want to tell everybody what we found?
Hold on.
3, 2, 1, action.
What did you find?
The fridge keeper. The lock.
Well, you didn't find it.
I didn't find it. You found it.
I found it.
And where was it?
It was on your desk in the office, sitting right on the desk. It was black on black, and I never saw it. You never saw it.
Well, my desk has become his catch-all.
Oh, so you're going to blame this on me?
No, I'm just saying. You couldn't,
Oh,
you
you're
couldn't
so
see
funny.
it. There's so many boxes and bags.
But it was
and...
there by itself.
Oh, was it?
When I dropped the desks down, there it was. It was all by itself.
We found it. No more bungee cords or twist ties or anything.
Yeah. So we've been on the road, back traveling again for a few weeks. Actually, it's
It's been a lot longer than that.
almost 3.5 weeks, isn't
Yeah.
it? Oh my
Yes.
goodness, time flies. Sheesh.
It does.
We did a couple of back-to-back travels. Went to see Fred and Gina in San Antonio.
Yes.
That was so much
I want to go
fun.
back. I miss them already.
They let us boondock at their place, and they've got a beautiful boondock spot, and they invited us to come boondock, and so we spent a few days with them, and then we moved north to North Texas and followed the wildflowers
Yeah. Yeah,
to
the blue bonnets.
North Texas, the blue
and
bonnets and the
the
Indian paintbrushes.
Indian paintbrushes.
Oh my goodness, they're absolutely gorgeous.
I love those more than the blue bonnets. Don't hate me.
Yeah.
They are orange and just beautiful. They're just beautiful.
Yeah, and so we've been here for a while, seeing the grandkids, our oldest daughter and her family, and
Yeah.
hanging out with them and having a good time and playing catch up. And that's the beauty about this lifestyle, is we get to say hi to our grandkids a couple of times a year.
Yes, and that's
And they
sometimes
just,
3 times.
And
It
now they're
depends-
taking us for granted.
Well,
We show up and they
it's
go, oh,
like,
hi.
oh, hello. Weren't you just here?
So we're wrapping up that in North Texas, and we're headed for Oklahoma
Yay!
to Rolling
To
Retreats.
see Alicia and Slade
Yep.
and the gang.
So we're getting the garage ready to pull in the Can-Am and get ready to go, and we're going to hit the road tomorrow and head for
We
Oklahoma.
are.
So let's get everything cleaned up in here and finish it up.
That's my purpose today.
Dark nights or sunny days, honey, you don't have to be afraid. I'm here with you always, just be here with me. Dead broke, a millionaire, I take them both long as you're there. Together without a care, you are all I need. I've tried and tried and tried all kinds of sizes, but none of them were tailored just for me. But I can't deny, and there's no big surprise, that the part I need is just your missing piece. Oh, so hot, a pouring rain, neither one could last always. You're my shelter and my shade, just be here with me.
So the gentleman walked up to me and said, can I ask you a question? I said, sure. And he goes, how do you get that car up there?
Well, there's actually a shorts on our channel,
Yes,
28 seconds long, on how we get the car up there.
absolutely. Go watch
We
it.
get that asked a lot.
Yeah.
Here's a tip for you, and I've never done this. I'm just telling you, this has never happened to me. Always, before you hook up and pull your cap off, make sure your valves are closed before you open the cap. Because what if somebody's playing a trick on you? It'd be an ugly trick, but just saying.
Oh,
make
yeah.
sure your valves are closed before you pull the cap off.
How long do we gotta stay here for people we don't know in one lines? All of the clothes are designer, fast cars and who knows who. Yeah, I know what they wanna say. They're gonna ask me if I'm gonna make it. I take my hand, I know we can make it out the back door. Yeah. And now you're leaning into me. You say you stay with me a while. If we leave right now, we can go till we're going and gone. So take me home. We can run away to another place, somewhere we can be alone. Take me home, get you elevated till we're levitating, and you know that I've been dreaming about you, girl. No, it ain't a mystery. So take me home. I want you to take me home. We can go till we're going and gone. And I know that you know you're the one. So take me home. We can run away to another place, somewhere we can be alone. Take me home and get you elevated till we're levitating, and you know that I've been dreaming about you, girl. No, it ain't a mystery. So take me home. I want you to take me home. Take me home.
Well, we made it.
Yay!
Here we are,
Yeah.
Elk City, Oklahoma.
It's nice. It was just a, 3.5 hour drive
Yeah.
from the kids.
Yeah.
So it wasn't a very long day at all.
So we arrived last night, had a very nice dinner with some friends of ours that invited us in for dinner. We didn't have to go out to eat. We didn't have to make food.
Yeah, we've never had it. Our friend Dawn made swamp soup,
Swamp soup.
and I'm thinking, swamp soup. But it was really good.
It was
Oh my
delicious.
gosh!
It was delicious.
So she gave me the recipe. So maybe I'll make that.
Yeah.
That would be fun. I could make it and
Yeah.
film it.
So we arrived yesterday, and there are. It's like a HDT rally.
I know. I think there's 6.
There's a bunch of HDTs here.
It's an epidemic.
I don't think I've seen that many HDTs here at one time.
No. And 2 of them are people that we never met before,
Yeah.
and they're really nice people.
So we are headed into Rolling Retreats to the shop to say hi to everybody
Can't wait. Woohoo.
and give them our list of things that we need to do. Our rig goes in tomorrow. That means you got to get up early.
What time are they come? Or what time do we have to take it there?
7 a.m.
We have to be there at 7, or we're leaving
We
at
have
7.
to be there at 7 unless
Oh Lord. Okay.
Liz tells us something different. But
Yes, I'm not an early riser.
no, you're not.
But I will.
That's because your mattress is
Because my mattress
too-
is so comfortable.
too comfortable.
Oh my gosh, it's ridiculous. There should be a warning on those. You may not want to get up. Caution.
So anyway, we're going to take it in. We're scheduled in tomorrow and Wednesday into the shop.
You mean I have to wake up early 2 days in a row?
Yes, you do. And I'm going to take our list into Liz this morning and let her know what I've got on my list so she can kind of get planned with the guys. And hopefully Alicia and Slade will be there this morning and we can say hi to them. So it's just down the road here.
Yeah, we're almost there.
We are almost there. Windy, windy, windy. Oklahoma.
Oh.
Imagine that. It's windy in Oklahoma.
Yeah, 30 to 40 mile an hour winds, I guess, today. And for the next 3 days, you said?
Yep. Yep, but no thunderstorms, no hail,
No hail.
no rain.
You know, it's Oklahoma. It always blows here.
Yes, it does.
It doesn't blow, but it blows. Let me rephrase that.
Alrighty, so, I think that's Alicia's car.
Yep, Alicia's there.
Oh, good. We'll go ahead.
Slade's there. His truck's there. So everybody's here.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and say hello
Woohoo.
to everybody.
Sounds good. It's windy. Holy cow. Here we go. Oh.
It's been so long.
I know. It's been way too long.
Well, my goodness. Come here, little boyfriend. Right.
All right. Ooh, look it.
I know.
We're on the list. Woohoo. Okay.
So, next stop, Liz, I guess?
Sure. Oh, you got a new,
It's all, she changes stuff so much.
What is that?
You never know.
Oh, it's a little.
the Flex Armor
Oh, how
display.
cute is that?
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so they can kind of see the
Okay.
material and how it's going to look on top and the radius options that they have.
All right, so
Okay, that's pretty cool.
that is pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah, they sent that over and we.
All right, we're going to talk to Alicia and Slade before we go, and we're going to talk to them about Flex Armor. We're going to share Flex Armor with you because it's one of the best decisions we ever made.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Okay.
Hey! Perfect. Oh, what are you doing?
Come on in.
What's
here.
going on?
Hi.
Not much. She's missing in action. She's missing in action.
Hello!
Hi, gang.
Hey.
What up, guys?
How
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Everything going good?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Good.
I saw your picture and I'm like, wow, she has lost weight.
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
lose weight? Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Look at her.
Embarrass me.
Whose idea was this anyway?
Hey, it's your idea because I don't get up early usually.
It's early.
It's not bad though.
Oh, good.
I just wish it would be lighter in the morning.
It's late.
Not at 6 or 5:30 in the morning.
Well, that's true.
It's dark, and I don't do dark in the morning. I mean, I have to, but
So you're about ready?
yes.
Okay, doke.
Yeah, I'm just buttoning everything up.
So we're gonna button everything up and then hook up and drag it over there.
Yes.
Time to get the RV fixed.
Time to get maintenance done.
Well, it's in.
Yes, it is.
Time to get some work done.
Yay! It's a beautiful day today.
It is.
A little windy, but
So I guess we'll go inside and say hi to folks.
sounds good. Yeah, I gotta put my stuff inside and.
All right. Well, we found one of the comfortable waiting rooms.
We did. Sweet bee. They're really nice. They all have a couch,
Yeah.
a recliner,
Yep.
television,
Yep.
lamp. I mean, it's just very comfortable.
Yep.
Very homey.
You can close the door for your own privacy.
Yeah. And you can lock it if you leave. If you have all your valuables in here,
And-
you can lock it.
And you can bring your pets in.
You can. That's a bonus. They love pets.
Okay. I got together with Slade and went through the list, and he says, okay, we'll get on it. And I'm hungry. Should we go to breakfast?
He said he's hungry, or
No,
you said
I'm
you're
hungry.
Yeah, we can go do breakfast. Yeah.
Let's go have breakfast.
Right.
All right.
Sounds good.
Before we go, we're going to wrap this one up from Elk City, Oklahoma, Rolling Retreats RV,
It all starts with an idea.
and turn those ideas into reality and make lifelong memories, guys. We'll talk to you next week.
Bye.
Bye-bye.